Hello, hi, how are you my students? Welcome to 4th standard. I am going to teach you as usual English subjects to you. So, today we are going to learn in English the first subject, the first lesson. It is of the house with the golden window. So, before we are going to start that lesson, I want to tell you the story of the house with the golden window. So there are few characters are there. You can look here. There is a first one, Stevie. He is a boy. He is the main character of this story. Stevie's father and mother is there. Actually those are not present actually, but themselves names are present here. Then Campbell, she is an auntie like that. Means Stevie's mother's friend, that is of Campbell, and her daughter is of Paula. And let us go to that story is taken place from the Scotland. And now before we are going to start our lesson, I want to tell the brief story of this, the house with the golden window. So there is a Stevie who is very sincere boy. That boy was helping to themselves parents where themselves work, and he got 1 hour when sunset time. He got 1 hour of free time. That time he walked to the nearby hill and he sat there. And when he went on the nearby hill, he watched on another hill. There was one house, and that house, one small window was glittering brightly like a gold, and that shining was full of gold, and he thought that that window is just like a gold window. Then next day when he come back, then his father gave him one chance for his own day. Means was his father told him that today you can do anything and today is your free time. That day for you holiday like that, his father said to him. Then that Stevie thought that I want to check that golden window today and I want to spend my time for this thing. Then he reached at the house. It was again next steep hill. Means one hill he want to pass through, again one steep. He want to take more effort to go walk through that house. And finally he reached at the place, and when he reached at the place, then he looks that window, and that window is just like a simple glass. It is not like a golden. So when he looked at it is just general common glass, then he surprised that, oh my god, I was watching from the hill that was looking like a gold, but how it is a simple common glass it is. Then, and suddenly, one woman come from this house. That woman's name was the Campbell, and she was the good friend of Steve's mother, and she was the friend of his mother. And he said, "Oh, Steve, how you have come here? Your mother sent to you here?" Then he said that, "No, I want to watch this window, and I was watching from the another hill, top of the hill. That window was looking just like a gold. But when I am coming here and I am watching here now, it is just like a simple and common glass." Then Campbell said, "No, we are just poor. We don't have any gold." She said like that. Then after some time, she carried Steve at home and give some food to eat, and there is one daughter she has, and she was Paula. The daughter's name was Paula, and she was sit with him, and they talk with each other, and they become good friends. Afterwards, Paula said that you come to my house to watch that window, but come with me, I will show you another one thing. So she carry her again one top of the hill, and she show another house to him. That house window also glittering like a gold, and it is also shining like a gold. And Paula said that window, which is looking like a gold, that is of your house window. And then let's do you understand? Because of sunset time, sun rays are coming through that glass and it looks like a gold, and that time you understand, because of sunset time the rays are going to reflect through that glass that is looking like a gold. He come back to his home and he tell all the story to his parents, and then he was so happy, and he knows that day about windows, golden, or how I got looking at golden window, and he get all this answer of his question. He get understand at that time, and then he next day he start his work regularly. Thank you everyone. That lesson we are going to learn through this book.